Welcome to the Pantanal, the world's largest wetland that you've never heard of. It's mostly located in western Brazil and is about the size of the US state of Washington. You're looking at the Paraguay River, which sets the water level and is an important transportation route for the entire region. But the problem is that sand and silt is being flushed into this wetland and it's changing how it works because of land use from agriculture and cattle ranching in the plateaus that surround the basin. By looking at how much volume is being accumulated and built up and stored in these water bodies, we can start to assemble a picture of how all of this sediment is tied to landscape change. We hammer aluminum tubes into the ground to collect vertical profiles of sediment and to reconstruct these changes through time. If we don't manage these water bodies well now, we lose the biodiversity and the collective hot water as climate is predicted to become hotter and drier.